To Cashback Visa Infinite Card app, the pros, the cons. If you're using a Cashback Visa Infinite Card, the app promises to make managing rewards and spending effortless, but does it really live up to expectations? One of the biggest pros is rewards visibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking cashback cards require logging into multiple websites. With this app, you can view your rewards balance instantly, track recent cashback earnings, and even see upcoming promotions that can boost your rewards. Notifications help ensure you never miss bonus offers, which can be especially valuable for high-spending categories. The app also simplifies card management. You can view transactions in real time, set up alerts for unusual activity, and pay bills directly from your device. Security features, including fingerprint and facial recognition, ensure your account is protected while maintaining convenience. For frequent travelers, instant notifications for international purchases help prevent fraud. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional delays in updating rewards or pending transactions. The interface, while functional, can feel crowded with multiple tabs and menus, making navigation a bit confusing for new users. Certain advanced features, like exporting statements, may still require the desktop portal. In conclusion, the Cashback Visa Infinite Card app is excellent for managing spending and maximizing rewards on the go. The surprising truth is that while it handles most everyday functions smoothly, detailed reporting and deeper account management remain better suited to the website. For anyone who wants a simple, secure way to monitor transactions and cashback rewards, this app provides a reliable, mobile-friendly experience that keeps your finances organized and optimized.